Hi guys, welcome to Distraka channel guys. So guys, everyone making a WordPress website. In this WordPress website, how we can add and write SEO on page. So what are the plugin will be used and how we can implement for the writing skills of SEO on page. First of all, I'll explain when a website is called amlanalytics.com. In this website, they will be showing your portfolio is called to train will be Python. So they give training for data science, machine learning, and Python. So in this one, how we can promoting with the multiple places that will be called they're promoting for multiple countries and multiple options. In this purpose, the URL will be must and should important. Anywhere you are promoting for here, there is a URL will be must and should important. And image making purpose using for Canva option. First of all, log in WordPress dashboard. In this WordPress SEO purpose, you have to install plugin name is called All-in-One SEO plugin. The plugin name is called All-in-One SEO plugin. In this SEO plugin, how we can adding the title, how we can adding the description, that all will be discussed in this option. In this purpose, right now I'll go to the post option. So right now I'm adding one blog into my blog post option. In this, we have selecting the add new. When selecting add new, we have to writing first of all title and description, first option. The title should will be called URL structure is a main important option. Which one? URL structure. So the content will be prepared here. First of all, selecting URL. URL will be called. So what are the keyword you promoting? Which place? That will be here. Next one, I'll select the complete content. Content should be selected here. Each content, we can selecting one image is compulsory mandatory field. Suppose the paragraph not accepted. The paragraph not accepted. Simple, we can selecting plus option. Here will be select option name is called paragraph will be allowed in this particular add option. So in the you're selecting paragraph, add the content. Once add this content here, so what are the keyword in this will be used? Added here. Go to post option. In the post, select your particular category. The category will be called blog. So my content will be posting for blog option. Here, major thing is called you adding the tags. That is the tags is most important. Your keyword purpose. That will be your keyword purpose. So that you can add your particular keywords here. After this one, the major important option is called featured image. This featured image mainly to show your content to the social media purpose. That is called, we can add your particular image option. The image will be comfortable design by using Canva option. So design the image. Here, any image, we don't forget option name is called alt tag. The name option name is called alt tag. Alt tag nothing but image specific information. Image specific information. Here will be give this. Now I'm click for publish this content. Where our content will be published, blog option. What is the blog last content in this data science online training in UK? After the share the content, now will be post content will be called USA also. And this will be website. You can always touch on them. They will be providing training will be data science, Python, and machine learning, artificial intelligence. So this will be properly created this URL and follow this instruction URL. Particular URL structure will be designed. So the URL intimate data science online training years. So this URL will be promoting on Google search engine on a particular option. So WordPress writing skills, major important things called title, description, proper title and description. In this, I only one option is forget is called just to scroll down. Just scroll down. Here, sir, where I'm writing for title and description, the compulsory mandatory field. That is called, here is the option. So based on the post title, always we are showing for two things. Here, in this, we can writing for manually. Here. So here I'm writing the all options. So what are the things we can writing will be description and what are the keyword you can mention, just down and keyword will be mentioned after click for update. So this is a perfect writing skills on title description keyword. The option name is called all-in-one SEO plugin. So we can write it up to 300. The best one is called 160. That is called they showing for error will be. But we writing for up to 300 will be acceptable option. So this will be used. Suppose in this keyword we can writing for two times. Simple we can go with option is called. I tell you here. I tell you simple option. So can remove this. Complete writing in this. Here, see the keywords are digital marketing online training in USA, digital market training in USA, digital market course in USA, digital market online course in USA, and online digital market, sorry, data science online training in USA, data science online course in USA, data science training in USA, and data science course in USA. The keywords will be promoting and a one title will be given here. This is nothing but we can use option name is called all-in-one SEO. The plugin we can utilize, properly write the keyword. The showing will be simple, control U. Check your option will be title and description. Here is the title. Now you can check for your particular description option. So that is will be used on a particular platform will be given onto the particular things. So this is a particular description option. So anything will be required, we can give the option name is called like this. So this will be update. So whatever the parameters will be needed, that is a proper title, description, and proper keyword. Each image, don't forget the alt tag, same title will mention in each image option. This will be compulsory mandatory field to mention the SEO title to writing SEO on page on your particular WordPress website. Any WordPress website, the major people using two SEO plugins, all-in-one SEO, Yoast SEO plugin. So as of my condition, I'm using for all-in-one SEO plugin. Just install each page. You can writing the title description properly. The common name is called. Always remember, your site title will be common. Why? Because site title nothing but your particular option will be given in a particular users. So that is called, they give option name is called site title is always common on each and every particular page. So this is the we writing skill on SEO on page on particular WordPress website. Anybody have doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. So what are the plugin you can utilize? So any plugin will be issues. We all will be shown to the in a particular platform. So any WordPress user, my suggestion will be always all-in-one SEO plugin will be utilized particular SEO purpose. Easily index also on the search engine purpose. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.